World of Business and Equity Group has announced a 98% growth in its 2021 half-year performance during the group investor briefing. Equity Bank says the profit has risen from 9.1 billion shillings in the previous year to 17.9 billion shillings this half-year. The total assets grew by 50% to 1.12 trillion shillings, while deposits grew by 51% to 820.3 billion shillings, and net loans by 29% to 504.8 billion shillings. Equity Group CEO Dr. James Mwangi says the defensive and offensive strategy adopted by the group at the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic to create resilience, agility, and recovery has been very effective in positioning, navigating, and driving performance.
Profit before tax jumps from 12 billion shillings to 23.8 billion shillings, a 99% growth rate, with the tax paid out increasing from 2.9 billion shillings to 5.29 billion shillings, a growth of 103%, leaving shareholders with a profit after tax of 17.9 billion shillings, up from 9.1 billion, a growth of 98%. We take a very optimistic and positive outlook for the future, and we predict that the group will continue to outperform, and that is what explains why we revised the 2021 outlook. We didn't expect that the market will normalize that quickly, that COVID will become part of our life. While COVID was really a phenomenon for all us to cope with, looks like the group was able to convert the COVID into a good crisis.
Elsewhere, the county